I just used the new impeccable skill built into the GitHub Copilot app to help me redesign one of my open source projects. This is my project right here. PocketCal is a free web app that lets you select dates and instantly share them. You don't have to make an account or anything because the entire state of the app is in the URL. It's kind of fun. Now, I first built this app back last year, and I kept the design pretty simple. I am not a designer myself, and I've been wanting to redesign it and figure out what to do, and I used this impeccable skill to kind of be my design partner in that. And so when you use the app, you can click dates around and you could say, okay, I want to select this date and this date, and it'll change the URL, and I can share that link with you. Now, after using the /impeccable skill that you can once again enable in the app in settings, I had some chats with it, and I was able to say, okay, I want to polish these things, I want to update this, I want to redesign the event groups, and I want to add some nice to have features. And after going back and forth a few times, I have the new version locally hosted right here. And honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. I wanted to change the font so that way I could have a more serif font around the logo and around the dates. And I also wanted to be able to, for example, when I click on a group here, it selects the groups that are highlighted. And also the drag and drop feature is a little bit nicer to use, and once again, everything is saved in the URL. Now I'm going to go ahead and keep testing this and then make a real pull request right from the GitHub Copilot app, and you can check out the impeccable skill in the app today.